introduce you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always worked.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
I think my mic. Okay, there we go. Can you guys hear me? What is good, guys? Who's ready to make some money? All right. 11:15 p.m. 11:15 p.m. Sorry, guys. I'm getting like a huge echo. Anyways, yo, GJ's been acting crazy. It's like it doesn't want to go down. Yeah. See what we got for news. So we're good. We are good. The only red folders is Canadian. Shouldn't affect us. Guys, we took a trade yesterday. Was this one right here? Early morning today. So yesterday it was 30 minutes right here. This was yesterday's trade. Nice 40 pip trade. Yo, what up, Roma? Oh man. And this thing, there you go. What up, player? Ready to make some money there? I know you want it. So look, this easily right here, this level of support resistance is on the 4 hour. 4 hours, you see it? These lighter ones, these are the weekly. I had already marked it up earlier. And I'm not gonna go into too much like education. I'm just gonna do what I do. And we're gonna trade. Like, trading, guys, is a patient game. So I'll be on here taking a live trade, and what I take is what you guys will see. And actually have something else for you guys. This is gonna be pretty cool. Let me see if you guys can see this. Hold on. Alright, let's see if I can do this. How did I do this last time? Okay. I gotta turn off my notifications. That way, yeah. Because what I'm gonna try to do is actually show you guys my phone. Yo, the stream's looking clean. That's what's up. Basically, I can only do one at a time. So I think the issue we had last time is we were going live on Facebook and on YouTube, and it was causing issues, like just lagging and dropping frames. Right now it's, I mean, dude, 5% usage, 0 drop frames, so looking pretty good. Man, this thing, second, trying to connect this. I'm still trying to get everything set up. Just trying to provide a better value, you know. I just woke up. I had to take a nap. Oh. Where is let's see. I know I had just installed. There it is. Financial news. I'm subscribed to this financial market news on Telegram. It's pretty dope. Yeah, bro. London sessions is where it's at. You know, I used to. Well, I mean, I still do. I trade New York session as well, but London is where it's at. It just messes me up, like the weekends, you know. Oh. Can you guys see that? Let me know if you can see that. So whenever I take trades, I'm gonna show this so you guys can see live me taking the trade. Makes sense? So when I jump in, we'll use this, you know, go to the trade, we'll set our whatever lot size. Obviously, like, the first thing you want to do is, you know, calculate the lot size. So 107.63. Down to risk 1% and say the stop loss is 15 pips for GJ. Calculate 7.255. So I'd probably do like 7.25. So here, I know 7.25 is going to be the lot size or whatever I do. 15 pip stop loss. That way I have that. But I'm going to turn this off for now until we jump into something. Let's look at these charts. Okay. Alright. So these levels right here are weekly levels. Weekly. Look at the weekly. Look at the daily. The daily really is nothing holding it. I mean, unless we look completely left. Got a small one right here, but it's basically the same weekly level. After this zone, you know, you have clear traffic to the next. So let's get back here. 4 hour. 4 hour levels here. And really, I mean, clear as day. You see, we're headed up. There hasn't really been much of a correction. But if we scale down here to the 30-minute, and usually you don't want to go against the trend, but when you scalp, sometimes that is the trade that'll look the best for you. For example, yesterday I seen we broke this level, and usually there's a retest. Most of the time people will wait for this retest, see the bullish engulfing, and really we could have got into a buy here, but this was 3:30 in the morning. I was already done by then. Put stops here, and then you target another level higher than the last high because you're expecting this to go do another high, you know. But you see, look, in this trade I would have been waiting since 3:30, since 4 in the morning till, what is that, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, like 6 o'clock. Been like the whole day. And I wasn't gonna be in the trade the whole time. So there's, I'm sure you guys are aware, different types of traders, swings or scalps, or there's also position trading, or referred to as like intraday trading. I like to get in and get out. So anyways, here was our level. Level was broken. I saw signs of bearish. I entered position. Entered it off the close of the of this candle. Entered, boom, and then put my stops above the wick, and then targeted the next level. It was down here, this level. Easy money. And throughout this, I mean, you're talking about these 5-minute candles. There's opportunities for scaling in multiple position, you know. So you take one trade and add on to that, you know? Once you break this first level, you got your impulse, clean traffic, add another position. You have this level here, comes back for retrace, add another position. So one trade is really is all you need. One trade is all you need. It's a nice trade. For a second though, I think when I got in it was a little early and it pushed up a little bit, but still played out. Right, Roma. Haha. He was in there with me. He was tripping for a second. He was like, man, we're gonna lose. Yeah, so what I like to do is mark up the line. Because that's when usually I like to be done. Looking at the 30 minutes, so we got level up here. Level down here. So this could be a break and retest. Really, I would like to see some bullish and see what the majority of people are doing. 59% short. If this means if 59% are short, understand like 90% are losers. You only have like 10% success rate on like as traders in Forex, you know, like not everybody's a winner. So if they're going short, maybe we should go long. Anyways, really you don't want to trade in here. Look at this, it's just rangy. But if we break this low here, I mean, even here it's kind of choppy. The 15-minute look. Man. I don't really like it. I don't like this whole choppiness right here. Because let's see, what is the range here? We took a sell. The bottom of this, 5 pips, 6 pips. Down here, 9 pips. Really not worth it. Not worth taking an L. But hell, if this thing goes up, I mean, from here, this whole 70 pips, that's what we would want, right? Because if I go to the left, and the last this is the last time price was at this level. Check this out. Oh my god. I can't, like, don't even know where we are. Dude. Yes. Last time price was here was back in 2018. Zoom out. I know. Look, dude. Price is right here. It's because the reason I'm taking forever is because I was on a smaller time frame. Man, how do I? It's annoying me. Okay, I think this is working now better here. All right. I'll do it again. Okay, here, right here. What was it, April? Why does it do that? What was the fucking date, man? Alright. Sorry. April 26, 2018. April 27th. Let's go to that date. Go down to the 30-minute and let's go down to April 27th, 2018. Go. Take me right. Oh, I guess on this time frame I can only go back to the 20th, the January 1st, 2020. That sucks. Never had that problem before. I don't know what the fuck. Anyways, as you can see, we've been bearish this whole time, right? Up until it pushed up, came back, broke back down. Finally, it's cracked back up, retested, and it's been, I mean, we've been bullish this down here, like September 2020. It's just been a whole ride up. So the price is over here testing. You know, what are the probabilities it's going to keep rising or turn around at this? And really, it's, you don't want to try to predict where price is going to go, and you don't want to say, oh, it's ready for it to turn around. You know, you want to continue going the direction price is going until it tells you otherwise. We don't predict price, we react to price. That's what a good trader does. A lot of people end up losing a lot and consistently and never making profits simply because they keep trying to predict where price is going. We can't read the future, guys. So what we do is we react to price. So let's go back to the 30-minute, and this is where we're at. You know, we have support here that was created and resistance that was created here. This area here you don't want to trade in, you know, you just want to leave that area be. But really at this point because support was created here, I would expect to see this push up. And if I see a nice bullish movement, then I might get in with a nice stop loss. Like if, I don't know, if this was to close bullish, I mean, it looks like it was bullish here. This would have been a good entry, right? With your stops down here. And that's a small stop loss. I mean, we're talking about 6-7 pips there. And we could have easily targeted, you know, this area. It's a 2.37 risk to reward. And right now you would be down like, I don't know, a pip from that. So maybe it would be a good entry, but I wouldn't get in right now just because I don't see bullish confirmation. Like I need to see this thing, you see, and it's pushing down. So you wouldn't get in when it's pushing down like that, unless we can go down to the 15-minute or the 5 and see an entry. But you know, right now it's downtrend, you know, it pushed up here, but this higher broke all these, but it couldn't break this. Rejected it. Came here, rejected it. Came here, like it's still rejecting. So this is a game. It's a waiting game. We're just sitting here waiting, watching. When will it give us a signal? And don't get me wrong, if this thing breaks, then I'll look for a sell. Is rejecting again. And really, like, I don't think this would be a good trade to get in to buy until it broke up here, because the range we have, like, well, actually, dude, this wouldn't be bad, right? I like the way it looks on the 1 hour. This little pullback, push up, pull back. Here's our bullish confirmation. Our entries would be that this is would have been right here, which is literally at the entry. 7 pips. Damn, but this is just a 8 pip. Well, actually, we would push up to fill this wick. We'd probably go beyond that. The 2.5 risk. I think I'm gonna take this. What is this for 7 pip risk? I should probably. Because it's literally hovering over the where the entry, the break even would be. You'd actually get a better position. Right. Oh, I don't. What's wrong with? Oh. Oh. Aha. Entry would be right there. You're like at a 5 pip stop loss. $21.765. I'm gonna take like 20 lots here. I'm gonna buy this thing. So we have stop losses right underneath here. 150, 190. So just look at your broker 1 hour chart right underneath the wicks. You see mine's 151.89, 89.2. So modify this 189. Modify our stops. You know what? It's off for a second. Oh, hold on a second. I'm on this live and throwing all my messages here. Hang on, guys. You see, I got in. I'm in. All right, I'm in. If you're on this thing, want to buy GJ. The numbers are on the screen. The reason I bought GJ is because I see this clear break of this level here, and this is created support here. This was our bullish confirmation. Overall trend is bullish, so I jumped in here. I'm putting my stops underneath the wicks. We want this continuation to move, at least to come up here. Our take profit 1 would ideally be what our risk is, you know, our first 5 pips. And then we have our take profit 2, take profit 3 up here at the top. We may even get stopped out on this motherfucker. 28.76. Alright, bro. But it's just a 1%, you know? So at this point, we are in an active trade, and it looks like we're gonna fucking lose it. I'm just kidding. You gotta find humor in it, man. So our stops are right here underneath here. Because if it breaks lower than this, then we're changing directions. We're not going the way we want. Let's see, I'm gonna put in the price here that I got in at 151961. Nice, it's not. Okay. So this is where we are, active trade right now. Y'all want to look at other pairs while this is going? I'll delete all. Damn, and this thing is like right here. Already in profit. Should be in profit now. I mean, I'm in profit. Hopefully you guys are too. Yes, sir. Get these money bags real quick. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yo, who you know throwing 20 lots on a fucking trade? Who you know? Tell me right now. Yo, I need to get some water. Oh, we rolling into profit, baby. Let me know in the chat if you took this trade with me. You should be up right now. What are we up? Like 3 pips? Yo, 3 pips on a 20 lotter. That's someone's paycheck, baby. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see, which screen should I go to? Be right back. Or hold on a second, maybe this one is better. There you go. So you guys can see the chart. I'm gonna go grab something to drink real quick. I'll be right back. We're currently in an active trade and it is in profit. Yo, I'm back. And we're in profits, baby. What's up? I got this new thing called the, I'm sure like a lot of you streamers probably know, it's called the Stream Deck. But I haven't set it up yet, and I'm really excited, guys, because like this is going to like just add extra pizzazz, you know. I want it for those sound effects. I saw some streamer doing that, and I was like, man, I wanna do the same thing. If you're using Hugo's Way, by the way, price shows it at 96 when it's 98 here. You know, there could be little price differences because of the brokers, but I wouldn't let that discourage you, you know. It's like a pip or two difference and you'll be all right. I got this new flavor that I'm about to try. Oh, it smells like throw up. Probably not gonna be good. See, I like the fact that this 30-minute closed pulling up, rejecting to the downside. It's a good sign. The only thing is that it did close bearish, small bearish, but still bearish. So hopefully this thing pushes up and we catch this little range here. Nice little 18 pips or so. And we'll call it a night. I'm gonna be on here with you guys while I'm in the active trade. So if y'all have any questions, y'all can hit me up in the chat. This is blue raspberry, by the way. Not bad. Not bad. All right. All right. We're in profits. Man, you know, this thing doesn't... Hell yeah. Come on. Don't play with me. Give me my money. Give me my money. Yo, when we get up to 6 pips, be from entry. Pips. 152.02. That's gonna be our first take profit level. We're almost there. We're almost there, baby. We're almost there. Let's get this money, y'all. Hell yeah. Come on. Hit TP1, baby. Cool grand. Come on. Daddy got bills to pay. I hope you guys were able to jump into this trade. Make a little bit of money. Man, look at it. It's like wicked take profit one. I can take profit. I'm back. Let's get it, bro. What stop loss and take profit at? Take profit one just got hit, guys. Take profit one just got hit. We in the money. We in the money. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We are in profit, guys, and running. We are up 7 pips, 8 pips. Live trade, baby. Your guru could never. Take profit 2 just got hit. Let's go. Let's go. Who's making money with me today? Woo. I'm unstoppable, baby. Ooh, look at it. Oh, man. I love it. I love it. Yo, and I mean, the entire process from start to finish, guys, you were in it. So you see how it's done. It's easy as that. I just show up, we do what we do, and we come back for some more. How can I? Oh no, that's not fun. How do I take that off? I just don't wanna. I don't know. Whatever. Damn, this thing like the heavy wick, but I like it. Give it some room to breathe. There's this little resistance right here. It already pushed through there once, though. And really here, take profit 1, guys, we should be adjusting our stop losses to break even. Do you only trade GJ? Nah, I mean, I trade other things, but GJ is my favorite. GJ is what I like to stay in. Oh man, my light just went out. What the hell? Hopefully I'm still online. Yo, we hit take profit 1 and 2 on this. You know, you should be securing some profits. Adjusting your stop losses to break even. Should not be losing on this trade. We already made money. And if you're just joining the stream, you may be a little late. What is it? It's barely 12:06 too, man, and that was a huge wick to the upside. Honestly, I have a feeling it's gonna break that top resistance, and it's gonna go and test that next weekly level. Risk-free trade, baby. That's what we love. We love to come in, do our thing, and go risk-free. Look, imagine, I mean, if this thing breaks here, bro, we got 70 pips to the upside here. Look, boom, 70. I mean, that's a total possibility, like. So just watch this thing. But really, like, you know, you can come in here and take your money, be done for the night. That move to the upside, it may not happen by this. I mean, this red line, this is when London's open. Really is 2 our time, I think it is. But I mark off at 3:30. That's usually when I like to be done by, because I take a quick nap and I jump back on at 5:30. I don't. I used to do the live streams for New York, but I haven't really been doing the live streams for New York. I've been like jumping on other people's streams, and I don't know if some of you guys or coming from Daniel Savage. I've been jumping on his streams, and also Wicks Don't Lie with Raja Banks. Been jumping on his streams, and you know, just really trying to get involved in the community, you know, like of other Forex traders. Yeah, thing is like the huge wick to the upside, and it's pulling all the way back. Imagine this thing fucking fake out and then completely melt. I wonder what fibs look like. Let me push down a little further, but it's in that zone. Nice little zone. Here. You're running fibs, you trade off the Fibonacci. That's kind of a setup for you. So this thing is back at break even. That's a crazy ass wick. Like in a minute it did that? Like 5, 10, 15 minutes push up and then completely collapsed. I still think it's gonna push up. A good risk to reward ratio here, especially because I mean we have a support here and it's been rejecting. It's coming to test it again. I think it has more leeway to the upside. There's a bunch of consolidation right here. And we're getting into the pre-London right now. London doesn't technically open to... Hey, you guys stopped out already? Yeah, break even. I was gonna say you could probably get back in with the same setup, stop losses, but it's kind of already a 1-2 pip in. Probably wouldn't get in right now, but when it was at the break even, I just want to see this thing fly, you know. It'd be nice. Yeah, man, I think this thing is gonna fly, to be honest. That's just the way it looks like to me. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it go, look at it go! Woo! I'm still in it. You know, I'm managing my own trade the way I want. So I am still in it. Got a 20 lot on this thing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you can wait, bro. Really, like, if the pattern continues, you know, it's gonna bust up and then create another level of support, and you'll see that, and you'll be able to get in. But hey, you made profits, you made profits. Secure the bag, homie. What it's all about around here. This entry that I did was based on the hour, by the way. Based on the hourly, we got in because of this pullback, retest, bullish confirmation, and we enter. We got a better entry than where the bullish confirmation closed. Entered a little bit below that. So, got a nice wick to the upside. That way, like, we have a wick to fill, you know? So the next couple of candles could push up easily to fill this wick. And it went all the way up to this level right here. Let's go. Yo, the other day when I was testing the streams on the Facebook partially muted my stream. I have no idea why. 10 pips in profit that I went in. Don't underestimate 10 pips, bro. Power of 10 pips. Ooh. 10 pips can change your life. %60 are short. People are loading up on shorts. It's because, I mean, it is breaking weekly highs. Where the power's at? GJ. Should be seeing GBP push up. I don't know how accurate this is, though. You know, I don't really. I had 10 pips with my lot size. You gotta build up to that, you know. 20 lots, 10 pips is $2,000. We just waiting right now, guys. This game is a patient game. It's below our entry, so if you wanted to re-enter and risk the 6 pips again, see the stop loss on the screen. it would be a good place to enter. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push back up. Push back up. Push back up. It's 12:19. We still got like 40 minutes. And ideally we want to see this candle close bullish. If it closes bearish, then I'm gonna get out. But as long as it closes bullish, and by bullish I mean green candle, give us a green candle. As long as it closes green, then I have confidence it's gonna continue going up. Bro, imagine this thing goes all the way to here. 90 pip trade on the 20 lots. Ooh, shut up your face. Bro, that's 18 grand on 20 lots. 18 grand, baby. Totally possible. Totally possible. It would probably be all the way to like New York section. New York session, sorry. She want to go up. She wants to go up. She's like, I need some breathing room. Watch me work. Give me a second. Give me a second. She's gonna shoot up, watch. Just fucking fly. No. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Time to fly. Look, right now in London it's 6:22 a.m. Banks open at 8-9 a.m. So 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. About 2 hours from now, 2:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. Yeah. By like 1:30, 2:30 in the morning. To get back in. Honestly, bro, like right now, I would not jump in because your risk to reward ratios are gonna be way the fuck off. Like, I should probably stop cussing on this thing if I'm streaming. I don't know if that's a problem on YouTube, but hopefully not. Hopefully I don't get all these youngins Look, if we come back to entry, you can jump in. 151.95. But we're above right now, so and if you miss that, if you miss coming back to entry to get in, then you need to wait for another support to be created. And realistically, the next support's not going to be created till we break this resistance. So we're going to have to break this and then retrace, and then you can get in. But you know, I don't know when that'll be. Like, you can look at the smaller time frames to try to pinpoint, you know, an area to do that. Look at this nasty ass consolidation, just horrible. Yo, if this is your first time checking out this stream, joining my channel, feel free to drop a like, subscribe. Yeah, 150 for 195 is entry. So if you can get to that point, and I mean, I'm not telling you guys when or when not to, but my entry was at 150, 195. It was actually 150, 196 because of the spread. So yeah. Like I was saying, if you're new here, go ahead, subscribe. I go live. I live trade, streaming. I've been trying to get consistent with it, but I'm on here doing London session now. I used to do New York, but I'm live trading London session. Like I said before, I was joining other people's streams and kicking it with them, but I tried to be a little bit more consistent and come on here for you guys. So we are in an active trade and we are currently in profit. If you're joining us, if you're just now joining us, we are in an active trade and we are in profit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, I need to go in and clean that up. Like, I have like 10, 15 live streams from yesterday when I was trying to work some things out on my stream, because I'm using Streamlabs now, and they have this multi-platform stream option. You have to become like this Prime member or whatever, which I did become, and I started to try to stream to Facebook and YouTube at the same time, and it's a bunch of BS, man. Streamlabs needs to fix that because I paid for it, and when I stream to multiple platforms, it lags, drops a bunch of frames, and ends up freezing, and you can't even, you know, get anything out of it. But I want to be able to stream to Facebook and to YouTube. I have a Facebook page, Lord Banks FX. Maybe some of you guys are coming from there. I also have my Instagram. You guys can follow me on there, Lord Banks FX. And my YouTube, yeah, Lord Banks FX. We are in profits, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, this thing like wants to fly. It's 12:30. It's about to be 2 minutes for this candle. Look at this. Nice. So the last candle, remember, it closed like a little bearish, but I wasn't too concerned with that because it pulled all the way back up. Now we have about a minute and 15 seconds left. And we want this candle to close bullish. Close bullish. Thing is playing, man. Look at that. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh, look at that, man. It just be playing like the thing pushed down and it was like, nah. I was about to say, hey, we're back at entry if you want to jump in. And it just said, psych, psych. Here we go, the 30-minute candle, 15-minute candle. Nice, come on, 15-minute candle. Break this consolidation. Break the consolidation. Break the consolidation. We got 13 seconds in. Damn, that thing just wants to stay in this consolidation range. It's been in there for the past, like, what is that? 30 minutes, an hour and a half, 2 hours. But it closed bullish on the 15, closed bullish on the 30. Man, but this is not a strong bullish closure. It's all good though, because we entered on the hour and we're still positive. We're still up here. You saw that fake out, bro? It's like pushed down for 2 seconds. Like it was like a split second. If you blinked, you would have missed it. That's how it be sometimes, man. Who is messaging me? Boom, boom, boom. Hey, it's at entry. Below entry, actually. It'd be a nice re-enter if you want to jump in. You could jump in. Anyone that's watching, it's a good spot to jump in. Still risking the same amount, 6 pips. Oh, it would be less now. Be my entry. Half a pip less. Half a pip is a half a pip. Crazy as mine's back in. Look at you, look at you. You gambler. You little gambler. Our homie already made his profit, secured his bag, and got cut out at break even, and he jumped back in. I love it. Fuck it. Should be pulling up. Oh. Welcome to the world of trading, man. It's a fucking boring ass game. We're just sitting here waiting. Waiting. Bro, this risk to reward 14.77. If this thing goes all the way up to the 90 pips. Alright, it's pushing down. Might hit our stops. It's breaking this level of support. We'll see. I mean, we already hit take profit 1 and 2. So if you didn't secure pips from there, I mean, shit. 10 pips, quick 10 pips. Come on now. Pull up. Pull up. This is the same exact setup from yesterday, man. Except yesterday we caught the down move, but it still, like yesterday was like this, a down move and then boom, shoot up. This was the down move, boom. But this time I'm trying to catch the move up because overall is bullish. Come on, pull up. Reject, reject, reject. And this is just being down 3 pips. Down 3 pips. Come on now. Come on now, don't do that. Push up. Push up. How strong is this level of support? How strong do you guys think it is? You think it's gonna hold? What do you guys think? Will it hold? Or is it gonna fall apart? Who knows? Yo, if you started this stream with me though, we hit take profit 1 and 2. You should have made your money. Or risked it all. I don't know. Do what you want. Come on, baby. I like this, is breaking the lows. Now, that is I think it could come back down. I think it could come down, gain some more here. Fib save. Oh, there it goes. Bidding stops. Look at this fib. That's what I was saying. It could probably come down here. See, boom. You had your original stops. You got stopped out. But you should have secured profits to take profit 1 and 2. See what we can do to manage this here. Yeah, at this point I'm closing out. It's already broken my lows here. Ooh. Oh. And it could probably turn around. But no, like we don't, we can give it another chance. We just have to find an entry. Right? So it's broken this here. 30-minute. Here's some support. I'll look for another chance here. We'll give it another chance because we're hitting pre-London right now. And once London hits, we should hit a nice push up. Please. But we already took one trade that got us positive. Plus 10 pips. Can you guys hear me? This thing is like going in and out. So that was our first trade right there. We look for a second entry here. This is some nice support here on the 30-minute. And the reason I'm looking for buys, guys, is because overall we're bullish. Hella bullish. Look, I mean, look at the 1 hour bullish, look at the 4 hour bullish, daily bullish. Oh look, this daily is like flipping now. Weekly bullish. Last 4 hours we were bearish. We're bearish here. And I don't think that's going to change anything. I still think it's going to go up. Till I see breaks of lower low. Look at that, it's respecting it. Got 15 minutes. See it broke this. Here's the consolidation, and it broke to the downside. But dude, honestly, I mean, I think this is a fucking fake out right here. 100%. Don't see that continuing down further. We can get a bullish candle here. Be a nice, like on the 15. Nice entry. It's already pushing the pulling up from the projection. Stops below the wick. Nice target right here. 1, 2, 3. If we could get like bullish confirmation, even on the 5-minute. This is a sign of reversal on this 5-minute. If this 5-minute closes bullish, you can enter here. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm entering right here. Five pip stop loss. Come on now. Pull up. Should have probably waited for that candle to close, you see? That's why you don't enter on, gotta enter on candle closures. Got a minute left on this candle. I would love for it to close bullish. Yeah, don't enter unless you see this candle close bullish. I entered a little prematurely here, but I'm only risking 0.5% on this one. It's still bearish. You gotta wait for that candle to close bearish. See, look at that. Wait for a better candle. Wait for a better candle. Right now, it's pulling down, just finding some support. Wait for one of these candles to close bullish. Give you that bullish confirmation, and then you can jump in. This was our trade, our first trade of the night. We took 10 pips there. And this is our second trade that we're setting up. We're waiting for a bullish confirmation. Jump in this thing. I jumped in prematurely, but if you're not in, don't get in yet. Wait for a bullish confirmation. And look at that. There's no way all these people are right. 61% are going short. Numbers, guys. I mean, 90% people who trade Forex are not profitable. Here we go. It's turning bullish. It's turning bullish. We got a minute and a half. If this thing closes bullish, then it would be a nice entry. Put your stops below the wick. See where I would put my stops. Yeah, that wick. Below that wick. Honestly, dude, like, I like this quarter level. It's not even a 10 pip stop loss. Look at it. 30 seconds. Who's this person on my chat saying fake? What's fake, bro? My girl's tits are fake. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. Running up. Running up. 2 seconds. It's closing bullish. Go ahead, enter. Boom. This is where your entry should be. Stops at 750, or you could put it underneath this wick. I just like the 750 because I like the quarter levels. They're just psychological levels that banks use and institutions, or at least retail traders like to think so, and they're just levels to go off of. Alright, so from here, so we could probably target this for take profit 1. Actually, it should be the 10. So what is 5, 6, 5. Cool. There you go. It's the 10 right there. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. This could be our take profit 3. I haven't been consistent streaming just because I switched. I was doing New York sessions and then I changed to London, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent and stream Monday through Friday. I just got my new setup and want to be a little bit more consistent. I want to release my YouTube videos and just provide some value to the space here. And then up here could be our big profit 4. Actually, I kind of like this setup right here. This looks nice. Just gotta wait this thing out now. We got in on a 5-minute bullish confirmation. Okay, so with each higher time frame, it becomes stronger and stronger confluence, showing us the direction it's going to go. So ideally, we want each new candle to continue to flip bullish and push us up. 30-minute, 1 hour. Damn, the 1 hour was about to end in 38 seconds. Crazy bearish pressure, but it's rejecting this area. See, it's pulling up. A good thing. We want that bullish confirmation. Keep pushing up. We got 18 seconds. 15-minute is turning bullish. Should be in profits, guys. You should be in profits if you took that trade with us. It's pushing up. Take profit is coming up. Take profit 1 is coming up. Remember, guys, once we hit take profit 1, you should be taking partials. You should be adjusting your stop loss to break even. You shouldn't be risking your same risk once you hit take profit 1. Even if it breaks us out at even and then shoots all the way back up. Look, I'd much rather leave money on the table than take money out of my pocket. All right. So here goes the 1 o'clock candle. So the 15-minute candle closed bullish, which is a good sign for us. We want it to continue to push up. Continue to push up. And now that it's 1 o'clock in the morning, let's see, what time is it in London? 7 a.m. I don't know. I think the bank's open like at 8 a.m. in London, right? So right now is probably all the institution orders, and then the banks are going to come in, and that should give us pressure to the upside, giving us more bullish confirmation. And yeah, I mean, right now, guys, if you took this trade, you're up about 6 pips, going on 7 pips. You know, we already won 10 pips today. Where is that? There it is. We're up 10 pips for the day on our first trade that we took earlier over here. And we are floating about another 8 pips in profit. We're about to hit take profit 1. Just a patient waiting game. You know, you strategize, you plan your risk, you look for your confirmation, you react to the price, and that's as simple as it is. I don't know how else to explain it. I know some of you guys may be new to this and be wondering what the hell is going on here. But I'm going to try to release more videos on strategies, on some education, and yeah. If you're new here, drop a sub, hit the smash the like button for me. This will help, you know, spread the news with this new channel that I'm live streaming. I'm also on Instagram if you guys want to follow me, Lord Banks FX. Take profit 1, come on, hit the take profit 1, baby. Let's go. Bro, if I would have waited for my entry, like I entered higher up, I would have got a better entry. Oh, come on, take profit 1. Come on, baby. Yo, we do this on the daily. Like, well, I do this on the daily, but I'm just now getting to a point where I can stream consistently. So I'll be here today. Tomorrow is Friday, so I won't stream. I won't stream till Monday. Well, it'll be like Sunday night, right? Take profit 1 hit. We hit take profit 1. You should be taking partials or adjusting your stop loss to break even. That's all on you guys. You should be managing your own trades. But take profit 1 is hit. If we hit take profit 1, there's no reason you should lose anything. No reason at all. Smart man. Close partials. Yeah, especially, you know, if you're new to this and you can't hold drawdowns and you get a lot of anxiety in the trades, dude, close 90% and adjust your stop loss to break even, and then let the 10% run. You know, if it runs to 2, 3, 4, higher than that, like, you'll still make that money. And then what that does is builds confidence. You know, it builds confidence within yourself to say, hey, you know what, I was right. Like, I should hold more, or maybe next time I'm just gonna close 50%, or I don't know. I mean, whatever you want to do. I'm not telling you what to do. This isn't financial advice. I'm just jumping on here and sharing what I'm doing. So we've been live now for like 2 hours. This is what it is though, guys. It's just patience, waiting, identifying levels, managing your risk. Look at that, we took 10 pips here, fucking melted, identified another entry, support, boom. There we go again. There we go again. We do this all day. You know, I think the most successful traders have a plan, and they basically trade the same shit over and over and over. Like, when I mean the same things, like, you know, same time, same pairs, same strategy, same pattern. Like, it's just a repetitive thing, and you have to discipline yourself, because, you know, when I first jumped into this, and let's say, you know, I win a trade and I see that, you know, oh wow, I just made $100, I just made $500, $1,000, or, you know, whatever, $10,000 day. You know, you get to a point where you're like, oh, I want to make more. And if you come into this game with the mindset of like, oh, I just want to like make as much as I can as fast as I can, then I guarantee you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose at this game, because that's what happens, man. The greed will take over and you start over trading. And when you overtrade, that is your worst enemy. You overtrade and you lose. You know, you take 1 to 2 trades a day, bro, and that's all you need. You know, this 10 pips, we could have been done there, and like, that's it. But that wasn't a whole move. It was a nice little spike. We took the 10 pips, take profit 2 on that level, and we re-identified because it was still early. Like, that's why I marked this line right here. This red line right here, I want to be done by, and either I take two trades here, or I take one long trade that gets to here, or if I take a trade and I lose 1%, I can give it another chance if I see an opportunity. But if not, hey, it's fine, and I'm out for the day. Like, you want to build a skill here. You just want to build a skill where you're taking the best possible setups with meeting all your rules. And if you are losing, I guarantee you it's because you're breaking your rules. And if you're losing and you're saying you're not breaking your rules, it's because you don't have any or you need better rules, right? I don't think it's difficult to become profitable. I think it's difficult to stay consistently profitable. But anyways, that's my 2 cents. I don't want to like bore you guys to death, but I have nothing else to do. I'm trading, and you guys are obviously here joining me because you're interested in it too. So welcome all my people that are joining me. My whole two followers. It'd be the same 2 guys too. Just joking. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys supporting me and coming on here and checking things out. That's why I like to jump on streams and stuff, because when you trade, it gets boring. It's lonely. It's like you're just here watching this price movement. There's nothing fun or exhilarating about it. So like, it's fun to be able to like interact with people, you know? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be streaming Monday through Friday. Well, Friday's not, this is technically Friday because it's Friday morning, but yeah, Monday through Friday, I'm going to be streaming London and possibly New York sessions. So go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button on this video if you're getting any value out of this. If you're actually making any profit, that would be nice. Let me know in the comments. Send me a screenshot to my Instagram, LordBanksFX. I like to interact with y'all and see how y'all are doing. You know, I actually, just thinking about it, I forgot to post a link on my Instagram of the live. This thing is just tap and take profit one and rejecting, but I know the volume's about to come in. Volume's about to come in, and GJ's about to go up. Look, it's flipping. But you're gonna see all these people changing their mind. No, they're still 61% are short. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Take profit one. Let's go, let's go. We've been on for 2 hours now. Hit take profit one. Moving to take profit two. Who is this on my line? What's up? I have a Telegram channel too, and I need to be more consistent on that. But it's just, I've had so many things happening, so many changes, and you know, nobody pays me for this. So this is all extra shit. Let's go, let's go. Bro, this right here, honestly, like, I put it at 750 because the quarter level, but you could have had your stops right here at 5 pips less, which would have been a 5 pip stop loss. A 5 pip stop loss, guys. Like, think about the risk in that. If you're risking 1%, your lot size is determined on how many pips you're risking. 5 pips. So your lot size, I mean, I don't know, on a $1,000 account, think about it, it could have been 5 pips, you're risking 1%, $100, 5, that's $20 a pip. So that means you could have done a 2.0 lot size. And if you were up right now with us at 10 pips, $20 a pip, that's some nice profits. You know, you hear me, you feel me? I just want this thing to fly out of this consolidation. Like we need like a strong candle to just bust through this thing and be like, all right, yeah, we're flying up. What is this range from here? Up 30 pips, 27 pips. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Sorry guys, I had to flex on Instagram real quick. Shout out to them people that are missing out right now. They're missing out on these free profits, baby. Yo, everybody should be up right now. Should be in hella profits. But you know what's crazy is like you can give people signals and show them your trades and exactly how you do things. Show them your withdrawals, show them your MetaTrader 4, your profit losses, all those, like your broker withdrawals, and like people will still like doubt you and still lose on trades that you win. It's wild, but that's the way it is. Like, and you know what? Trading's not for everybody. Like, if you're not planning on sticking this out for the long term and doing this, like, you know, you will find yourself taking huge L's, and you will find yourself like you gotta understand that this is a long-term play game. Like, you gotta learn this skill, you know. Just don't expect to become a millionaire tomorrow is what I'm saying. What's my take on gold? Let's see. I don't know, man. Gold. What is gold doing? Daily real quick. Ooh. A huge correction here. Hit this daily support. 4 hour image. Been pushing down right here. Got some more support right here. That resistance. I love gold, man. I used to trade gold all the time too. But it's hard to like keep up with multiple pairs. And I just started focusing strictly on GJ. And I really have been trying to develop a strategy for indices like US 30. I love the way it moves. Gold though, I love the volatility, but gold is it's notorious for like huge fake outs, and I hate that. Like but once you get in the rhythm with it, like it'll be nice. Look, it looks like we're hitting some support here. So if we can get clear change of direction, then it would be nice to push up, but it'll be in this range. I would say here on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, you know, we're breaking this area here. You know, you have clear traffic from here down to here, which is like an easy 50 pips. See that? Like if we break down here, you can take an impulse trade to the downside. Here's the next level down here. But look, you have small levels support here. One down here. So you could easily probably catch this, then catch this. You know, ideally you would probably want the next candle to break it and wick up. That way you have a stop loss area. Unless you want to put your stops up here, which it wouldn't make sense to risk the reward, right? It wouldn't be worth it. So ideally you need another candle so you can identify a nice stop loss. Unless you want to do zone to zone, where then you can just put your stops above this zone and then target your next zone, you know, and that would be a nice setup. But just keep in mind, look, your stops is 54 pips, so potentially 54 pips in drawdown, and you need to calculate your risk, your lot size correctly, right? And really, I mean, if you get into it right now, it's like 34 pips. Could be a nice trade. I'm not trading that, but yeah, you guys watching this want to take this, screenshot it. Yeah. So that's my thoughts. If you guys have charts, you know, send the charts, and I mean, obviously use TradingView. The way you send the charts is you click this right here, save it. You go to the save image, and then just copy this part, the string, and then put it in the chat. And I'll pull your chart up here, and we'll look at it, and I'll tell you what I'm looking at and what I see. And that's the best way for you guys to learn and grow, to be honest. You know, start marking up your charts, and share those, and you know, so you can get better. You gotta practice a skill to get better at it, you know. So, I mean, this thing is looking nice. Like, we had a sniper entry in this thing, bro. Look at this. We got in this thing like damn near at the bottom. Like, there's no, I don't think you could get in better than that. Killing it, baby, killing it. Let's go. let's go, let's go. Yo, I also have I'm doing a video on you know, those challenges. I did the FTMO challenge already, I had passed that. And it's just to show how it can be done. But I was thinking about doing a challenge on the other prop firms that fund traders, and just you know, show you the process and see if you know, they're legit getting withdrawals, and you know, if there's any issues with that, because I know there's a lot of rules on some of them. But if you guys would want something like that, you know, let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to put that video out. I'm just trying to gather like topics and stuff that I can make videos for, because I never know like where somebody's at with their education. And you know, like I don't want you guys to think like there's a lot of like scamming people in this space, in this industry, and they'll take you for everything you have and some, or try to get you to sign up for some network marketing company where they're more focused on signing people up than trading. And I'm not going to drop any names, but I'm sure you guys know who I'm talking about. And you know, it's not to throw shade on them or anything like that. It's just I'm more into the actual skill set than trying to recruit people and earn residuals off of love from India. What's up, Thanos? Is it Thanos or Thanos? Whichever it is, I appreciate you joining us. Love from Texas. I'm from Texas, guys. Streaming from Texas, from the US. Yeah, we have someone from India. That's cool. Appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm trying to get some topics and ideas of what to make videos for. And so if you guys want anything in particular, you know, like strategies or mindset stuff, you know, another thing I think is really important is psychology, man. Like psychology when you are trading is so huge, man, because like I just feel like, you know, when you're trading, you get in your mind a lot, and you know, you can make like easy wrong like decisions to cause mistakes in your trading. And you have to understand, like, trading is kind of like an experiment, and the market is the variable, and the market is going to do whatever it wants to do. It doesn't have to do anything you think it has to do. Like, for example, GJ is hitting like weak highs from like back in 2018. I showed you guys earlier, and most people be like, oh wow, like this is like, it hasn't been at this price since like 2018, so it has to come down. The market doesn't have to do anything. The market is going to do what it wants to do. We have to adjust to what the market does, right? And that goes back to, you know, what I was talking about, like we cannot sit here and try to predict where the price is going. That's not what trading is. What trading is we're reacting to what the price is telling us, right? Like earlier when we got in the second trade, you know, by the way, take profit 2 is either hit or about to be hit. Come on, baby. Let's hit take profit 2. Let's go. Ooh, come on. Come on now. There we go. I just want to see it cross. I just want to see it cross. Just come on. There we go. Take profit 2 hit, baby. Let's go. I hope all you guys are making some profits with me tonight, because I sure as hell am. And if you're not, well, now you know for the next time. Let's go. We in profits. This is live trading. 14 pips up. We already took 10. So we're at 24. 24 pips for the night. Live trading, baby. We had a short, tight stop loss, sniper entry. beautiful. I don't think you could have got a better setup than this. This is awesome. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Yo, at this point, you guys should be at break even and not risking anything. Not risking anything and just let this thing ride. This thing, like I said earlier, I mean, it has the potential to ride all the way up here. Literally, we could make 100 pips off this thing. Like, that's a possibility. Know what I'm saying? Look at that. Ooh, she looking hella nice right now. Man, hold up. It's a nice trade right here. And you see, like, some people have taken this consolidation, this breakout to the downside and said, you know what, it's going to be a sell. But you gotta understand the overall trend. The overall trend, and we're about to hit take profit 3, baby. Come on, let's go. Take profit 3 hit. Let's go. Let's get this money, baby. Hell yeah. Woo. Baby. I got a 20 lock on this hoe. Ooh, it's looking stupid. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love me some me. Thank you, me. Ooh, she's flying, guys. She is flying to the moon, baby. To the moon. To the moon. Let's get this money, y'all. Who's in this trade with me? Blessings and profits to all, man. I hope you guys are jumping in this thing and making some money. Yo, Thanos, the guy from India, is Forex legal in India? I thought I heard someone or somewhere, I don't know, somewhere somebody told me that Forex was illegal, and I was like, damn, I guess I'm not gonna go there. I forgot where it was. Oh. Man, look at this. And I mean, how much time did this take? And that's another thing, you know, you guys should document your trades, journal this shit so you know. Dude, 45 minutes. Guys, fucking 45 minutes. I'm like, oh shit. Dude. 45 minutes, man. And this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't think there's nothing else that I can think of that you can, you know, go in and in 45 minutes make the kind of money you make on Forex, man. Like, that shit is wild, bro. Let's get this money, y'all. Hell yeah. We in stupid profits, man. Yo, Roma, are you still here? You still in this? Ooh. Man. Literally, this is gonna make my week, like, phenomenal. Yo, you got to think about it like this, guys, too. If you are making at least 3% in the week, you're beating the banks, baby. Bank, there's no bank out there that's gonna offer you this kind of money in a week span. You know, you go put your money in any kind of you know, financial product with the banks. Like, they don't pay out 3% a week. You know, maybe the best of the best can get you 3% in a year, but most are looking at like 1, 2. Like that is, it's nothing. Nothing, baby, nothing. Yo, I'm gonna look to, you know, the way this thing is moving. Look at this, man. This 30-minute bullish engulfing, just ridiculous. Ah, I love it. This is the 1 hour candle right now. It's bullish engulfing. This candle, this price is already beating 1, 2, 3 candlesticks, almost gonna be 4 in 4 hours. Man, we got 26 minutes, 25 minutes really. And this thing could, if this thing pushes up above this right here, bro, we are flying. And we may take this all the way to the 90 pips, to 100 pips, or what was that? Woo! Yo, we hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3 live, man. I don't know anybody else that does that. Who is streaming live their actual trades? Or they're just showing you demo profits on their MT4 and trying to get you to buy a course and shit. I'm just saying, man. Tell them to trade with you. Tell them to go step by step. I've been on this live for 2.5 hours already. And the last 45 minutes was this trade. Our previous trade, we closed out with 10 pips. Right now, we're 17 pips in profit. Come on now. Come on, man. Come on, man. Tell them to live trade with you, man. Shit. Ain't nobody doing that. Ain't nobody live trading. I want you to think they just flexing their course profits and money from selling signals from other people. And man, there's a bunch of scammers out here, bro. Bunch of scammers. Don't depend on none of them. Learn for yourself. Teach this skill to yourself. Practice it over and over. And I promise you, this thing is like an ATM. Start printing out cash. Let's get it. Let's get it. The 15 minutes. Man, look at this. I love this bullish movement. I just want to break this high so I can feel more confident about where it's headed. Let's see. What are you doing? I think it's just creating a wick, which is good. I like it for it to have a little wick at the bottom, because it just, if there's no wick at the bottom, then there's gonna, more than likely it's gonna be a correction coming back down. But when you have a little wick at the bottom and you're continuing bullish, then you're good. One of my buddies just messaged me. He said he just sold GJ, so he's getting into a sell right here. He's going against us, man. He's probably just trying to get quick 10 pips right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think it's gonna keep going up, or is it gonna turn around and go down? What do y'all think? I think it's gonna keep going up, to be honest. I know it looks like a little bearish movement right here, but dude, this whole bullish engulfing, unless, you know, my buddy probably ran a fib from here to here and said, oh yeah, see? He's like, oh yeah, it's rejecting the golden zone, so He's probably shooting for it to come down lower over here. But dude, that's going against the overall trend. And I don't believe in it right now. That's another thing, guys. Like, it's hard for me, like, to take other people's trades just because, you know, like, at the end of the day, it's my money, and if I lose, I don't want to like blame anybody else. So, you know, I don't take people's trades. I have to do my own thing. And even like this, I mean, my buddy, and I mean, he's a successful trader, and he's selling GJ, and that's fine. You can probably sell it and catch a little drawdown, but I'm already in hella fucking profits, and overall, this thing looks like it's going up. You know, at this point, we're at break even. Our stop losses are adjusted to where we ain't losing, and that's how I see things. Let's look at where we were this time yesterday, right? So this is 130, right? So let's move to 10-130, which was oh no, it's 11 because it's 12. So 11 at 130. It was right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah, yesterday around this time it did take a dip. Took a dip to find support, and then right here at support around 3 o'clock in the morning, boom, shot up. And that could be the case right here. Right here we could take, I mean, it could take a dip to find support and then shoot up. I mean, as of right now, like we're in some nice profits. Boom. Let's go, baby. 15 minutes, That's good. Close partials, and it's looking real good. I know it. That's what I see, bro. Look, if we hit take profit 1, 2, and 3, bro, anything other than that is extra, bro. Like, you should have made your bag already. And hey, that's what the markets are. You come in, you take your piece, you thank them, and you move on. What was this? 330. So 230, 130, 1230, 0030. Here. Man. That would have been perfect. I mean, we would have gotten. I was just thinking, like, what times we should start. Usually I start like around 11 o'clock. Is on here. I started looking at the charts. But it made that move right here at that 12:30 mark, and then by 12:45 we got the bullish confirmation. Jump in for the buy. Oh look, my homie sent me his entry at 152.02. He said his take profits 151,600. This dude thinks it's gonna come down here. Damn. And I mean, it could, shit. Totally could. His stop loss is at 152.30. Damn, bro, his stop loss is way the fuck up here. This is his stop loss. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna make all my money before then, bro. Like, I'm gonna ride this all the way up to your stop loss, bro. I'm holding this from 148. Oh hell yeah! Shit, you've been in since what are you swing trading it? Yeah, I'm just taking an intraday trade, bro, for London. Exit at 153. Yeah, you see, look, I have this up here at 152.90, 153 area, which I mean, yeah, I think it's a possibility at that point. Yeah, what did you get in at 148.50? So you've been in, damn, you've been in this. What did you trade off the 4 hour? On here. Damn. So you've been in it for a minute. You guys been in it since 148.50. So you're up about 300 pips. Yeah. How long have you been holding that? Like 9 days. Damn. Is that how long you've been holding it? Yeah. That's when that price is. That's what's up. Yeah. And I mean, I think there's a lot of benefits for the swing trades. I think honestly, if you're new, if you are new to trading, I think swing trading is a lot easier for you right now, because man, look, I don't like this 15 close, because that looks like a price reversal, signs of price reversal, this little doji, but we're gonna keep riding it, see what this thing does. The hour is going down. Yeah, I need this hour to close above this. And this may be just take your profits here and call it. Because it may push down. Time is at 147, 15 minute just opened. It's creating new lower lows from the candle. Let's see. Come on now. Push back up. Push back up. Yo, you've been holding it for a week. Where have you adjusted your stop loss, or you still have your original stop loss? I'm sure you probably already adjusted it, maybe even taking profits. I mean, shit, you've been holding it since 148. It's a long time. Yeah, I know some people that, I mean, they take one trade a month. They just make like 100 grand for the month off of one trade. Come on, man. I want to ride this all the way up to my homie stop loss that he set at 152.30. If that happens, man, that'll be, let's see, 52.30, 44 pips. I'll take 44 pips all day, baby. Either it hits a stop loss or take profit, no change in between. Yeah, I like that. I used to trade like that too when I was doing swing trades. That was back when I was doing like gold swing trades, and it was nice. But I like the what works for me better is the intraday jump in, jump out, because I have a lot of things that I got going on with different businesses and different ventures that if I'm in a trade, I'm always thinking about it. So when I trade, I like to spend these hours right here looking at the market, jumping in and trading, and I'm out. And I don't come back on till the next day at the same time. I don't look at the market. I don't like speculate. I don't think I try to get another opportunity. No, I just come in, take the one, and let's go. Or if I see two good setups within the same time, like that's why I have this red line right here. You know, after this, I don't want to be trading. I don't want to be in trades. So I'm just doing the best I can manage from when I start to right here, and that's it. I know some people that be trying to trade all day. Like, dude, when I started trading, I used to like, man, I would go like have to go to the restroom and be on my phone, like just watching, like, oh my god, what's gonna happen, or should I jump into one, and then I used to like look at a bunch of charts and like set up key levels and alerts, so when the price gets there, then I could jump in. But that would mean like during the day when, you know, I'm doing all my personal stuff, you know, I'd have to stop everything when I got an alert and focus on, you know, trying to take a trade or do something like that. So I didn't like that, and so now this is my trading plan is just jump in from the time I start to the time I end, and that's the only time I'm trading, and that's when I want to be out of the trades. I don't like to hold. I don't like to look at it outside of that time frame, and yeah. I think once you build a plan that fits you and your style, your personality, you start becoming way more effective in the markets. And everybody's different, you know. Like homie in here in the chats, he's swing trading, been holding since 148.50 for a week. Like there ain't no way I'm holding a trade for a week. I'm just trying to get in, get out. Come in, get my bag every morning. I treat this like it's like a job, man. I come in, show up, clock in, analyze, mark up, start fresh, no indicators, and take my money, and I'm out. That's what's worked best for me. Let's go, let's go. Oh. All right. sometimes like when you get these multiple candles that are pushing up, you have to have a little bit push back down to get some volume in it, you know, get some volume to continue moving up, because the market doesn't move up and down, you know, it moves like this, like, you know, up down up down up down up down up down up down up down. Yeah, newbie, trying to be better day by day. I feel you, man. Hey, keep showing up, and you will be. Trust me, it's with anything, man. I think the skill of trading is like a muscle, man. And if you want to be better at it and, you know, be consistent, be profitable, you have to work it out every day, you know. I don't recommend coming into the charts and spending multiple hours at a time, but when you're new, I do recommend, you know, starting to formulate a plan, a strategy, and coming into the charts and just looking at, you know, what do you think? And, you know, like on TradingView, you know, tradingview.com is free, man. I mean, I have the pro one or whatever, but, you know, you can use the free one. Jump in this thing, look at the time frames that you want to be looking at, and just, you can go to the back, go to back replay mode and start drawing up theories and figuring it out, you know. This is the hardest way to earn easy money, and I love it. That's very true, bro. Hell yeah. I feel the same way, you know. I like to say it's not easy, but it's simple. And, you know, if you don't get into your head and you stick to a plan, I mean, you got it and you can make it happen. I think anybody can do this. I don't think it's not rocket science, but us as individuals and human beings, we try to overcomplicate things, and we're like, we can't process the fact that it's as easy as it is. So we start affecting our psychology, and, you know, when you fuck your psychology up, man, forget about it. Like trading, you start connecting dots that don't exist, and that is something that can affect you negatively. And this thing is like, I think there's like some volatility coming into the market. Starting to range a little bit right here. Come on, push up. Let's just push up beyond all this. If we can get a close above this, woo, it'll be hella nice. Hella nice. Granted, this is on the 5-minute. Live trading, baby. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Nice. Nice. Look at it. Pushing up. Pushing way up. Oh, it's funny. That is hilarious. What's the capital you use? I'm a 6-figure trader, bro. I've been trading for 6 years though. I already hit TP3. You mean TP4? Yeah, I've been trading for 6 years. I got into this. I don't know if you guys remember. Maybe you guys might be too young or it's too old, but when Periscope was like a huge thing, and I used to follow this guy named Ocean Sky. His real name is Reza Mokhtarian from Canada, and you know, I was watching him trade Forex currency. And at the time I was getting into stocks, and I remember my mentor at the time, he would trade stocks, and I asked him, I was like, hey, what do you think about currencies? It's a larger market, it has more volume and whatnot, and I'm curious about it. And his response to me was like, nah, I gave it a chance and I gave up because there's all kind of weird times, and it's always open, and I can never grasp my mind around structuring himself to be able to be profitable. And so I started watching this guy on Periscope named Ocean Sky, and he was like teaching on there, and he was showing his like trades and stuff, and he started building a community and whatnot. But then it got like crazy. The dude had got kidnapped, and it turned out like he was opening up a capital fund and taking people's money, and I don't know, all kinds of crazy things happened. So I was like, dang. I just kind of let it be, and ooh, look at this thing. Oh, we're flying to take profit 4, baby. Let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. Push. Let's go hit what's this homie's name? Stop loss. Let's ride this bitch all the way up. Let's go. Woo! I love it. Hell yeah. Anyways, man, I lost track of my story, but I mean, I've been trading since 2015, and it took me a while to become profitable. I would say, when I say profitable, I don't mean making money. I made money right away, but I lost it right away. That was the most frustrating thing, because I could make huge amounts of money so quick, but because I was so greedy and I wanted more, and I wanted to become a millionaire trader right away. It messed with me. It would cause me to overtrade and over leverage, and that's why I would lose. I remember one day where I made well, not one day, I think it was a span of 2-3 days, I made 50 grand, and in literally an hour or less I lost it, that and more. That was one of the most depressing days of my life, and I was I literally at that moment was when I was like, I don't think it's real. There's no way, because I'm never gonna be able to get this money in my hands. I can see I can make it on the the platform that I'm trading, but I could never realize those gains into my bank account, into my hands, and it was frustrating. So I gave myself 2 choices. I was like, look, I'm either going to figure out how to do this the right way and become profitable and learn the skill set, or I'm gonna quit. And your boy's not a quitter, man. I just couldn't do it. I was like, you know what? I gotta be better. I gotta be better, and I gotta figure out how to do better. So I have to find people that are doing better. And I started scouring online and just looking at different videos and understanding different concepts. And then once I figured out how I could practice my skill by getting on TradingView and going back and just looking at the markets, and then just identifying patterns and going back and forth. I used all kinds of different indicators, lines, trends, and patterns, and Fibonacci's, and all kinds of stuff. But the most effective thing for me has always been price action. Price doesn't lie. Price tells you exactly what is happening, and once you can learn how to read that, you become freaking lethal, man. And then understanding the power of compounding. Come in, show up, gain your 3%. I'm risking 1% to gain 3% most of the time, and that's if I'm winning 3% a day, 3% over the 3% wins and the 3% gains each day over day, and in no time you're growing an account. Now, obviously, I think that everyone should have a plan to where they're withdrawing profits too, because that's another thing. You just compound, and you never take none of those profits. It messes with your psychology, because you'll feel like you never really won. You never got any money out of it. If you end up losing it, you'll have a bad trade or whatever. And another thing, like being able to cut your losses, like whenever you're down and you need to cut it, and being, getting in your mind saying, oh no, it's gonna turn around and I'm gonna stay in it, it's gonna turn around. I did that one time and I kept adjusting my stop loss. Like this was back when I was starting out, to the point where I ended up adjusting my stop loss so many times that it blew my account. And I've blown multiple accounts, trust me. But the point is finding a plan and a strategy that works for you. Being able to practice the skill set, and repetition is what creates that standard within you. And once you nail that down, man, I mean, sky's the limit. Dude, I like this bullish candle, and nice. The wick, it's looking hella nice. Hella nice. Let's ride this thing up. Let's ride this thing up all the way to the next fucking zone. I'm gonna take it to 153 with my homie over here. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce your name, bro, because I don't know how to say it. But I'm gonna say Nish. I'm gonna say my homie Nish in the chats. He said he's riding it up to 153. Ooh, imagine, dude. 100 pip, 100 pip game. I'm in a 20 lot trade right now. It's gonna be ridiculous. Ridiculous. Be like a 20 grand day. Not bad, man. There's nothing else in this world that I know you can do other than like selling drugs, which I do not advocate. I'm just saying. Honestly, fucking Forex almost feels illegal. Yo, but if you're just joining us, I know some people are coming in. Welcome to my channel, Lord Banks FX. Go ahead, subscribe. I live trade on stream, live stream trading on Forex. So go ahead, subscribe so you can get the notifications when I go live. And if you were able to catch this trade with this live, go ahead, hit the like button for me. Let's get it, baby. I love London session, man. It's just, I don't know. I think I like it more than New York, to be honest. But like New York has some nice opportunities too. So I trade New York as well. And we're about to hit take profit 4. Woo! Let's go, baby. Come on, smash take profit 4. Smash take profit 4, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, man. What is this? We're up 23 pips. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, honestly, I think I'd take profit 4. I'm going to take my profits and just call it for the night, man. Like I said, my red line is my end day. So I may just... I take profit 4. I'm going to close 90% and adjust my stop losses. Adjust my stop loss to break even. And then let the rest ride, right? Let's let it ride, y'all. What's 90% of 20 lots? 18. I'm ready to close as soon as it hits that. I'm ready to close 18 lots. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got this. It was like a pip away a second ago. Right? Not even like at 0.03 pips. It's gonna smash it. It's gonna smash it. It's going to smash it, baby. Let's get it. Come on. Come on now. All right, I'm closing, guys. I just closed 90%. The rest is running in profit. You're holding 2 other JPY pairs. What is it? Euro JPY? That's another one I kind of like. Alright, I closed this one already. 90% of it. I adjusted my stop losses to break even. And I'm going to let the rest ride, to be honest. You know, I'm gonna put my take profit overall take profit at 152.80, because it could go up there, but you know, you never know. 152.800, just because, and if it breaks this thing, dude, like it has no, like this is the next area. You know, so we'll let the runner one run. And yes, it hit our take profit 4. I closed, you know, 2 pips below that, but it's all good. We are profitable. We made money, and yeah. Odd in Swiss. Oh, I used to trade odd JPY. I just like to focus on GJ, man. They call me the GJ killer, baby. We made money today live, trading in front of thousands of viewers. Just kidding. Ooh, man, I love this. I love it. I don't think there's anything else you can do that could pay you like this. I mean, it's exciting. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. I appreciate you guys jumping on, joining me today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'm streaming Monday through Friday, London sessions, sometimes New York sessions as well. You can follow me on Instagram, LordBanksFX. And if you made some profits with me today, hit that like button. I appreciate you guys. Much love. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.